Traveling is one of life's greatest riches. There are unique cultures, landscapes, and experiences awaiting us all around the globe. Today, I'm here to take you to 10 magnificent cities and towns that are a must-visit. Are you ready? Well then, let's embark on a journey together to the most unique and dazzling corners of the world. Bruges, Belgium. Step into a fairy tale in the heart of Belgium with a visit to Bruges. This medieval masterpiece, often dubbed the Venice of the North, enchants visitors with its picturesque canals, cobblestone streets, and impeccably preserved architecture. Wander through the historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where towering spires and ornate guild halls transport you back in time. But Bruges is more than just a window to the past. It's a culinary paradise boasting delectable Belgian chocolates, waffles, and world-renowned beers waiting to be savored in cozy cafes and taverns. Art lovers will delight in the city's array of museums, showcasing masterpieces by Flemish primitives like Jan van Eyck and Hans Memling. Beyond its cultural treasures, Bruges offers tranquility amidst its serene gardens and parks, perfect for leisurely strolls or romantic boat rides along the canals. Whether you're admiring the intricate lacework at local markets or climbing the belfry for panoramic views, Bruges captivates with its timeless charm and warm Flemish hospitality. Corsica, French. Nestled along the southern coast of Corsica, the town of Bonifacio commands attention. Perched majestically atop 230-foot-tall limestone cliffs that command panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea. Renowned for its vertiginous setting and breathtaking vistas, this medieval enclave and its formidable fortifications have earned evocative monikers such as the Mediterranean Sentinel and the Citadel of Cliffs. A veritable haven for travelers, Bonifacio unfolds like a dream, blessed with balmy weather throughout the year and adorned with picturesque red-roof buildings, cobblestone streets, and a coastline adorned with pristine beaches lapped by turquoise waters. Despite its allure, even in the height of summer, the village retains an air of tranquility, offering ample opportunities for exploration amidst its historic streets. As Corsica's oldest settlement, Bonifacio boasts a rich tapestry of heritage, with monasteries, museums, and churches adorning its labyrinthine lanes, each offering insights into the island's storied past through guided tours. Situated at the nexus of French Corsica and the Italian island of Sardinia, the town lends its name to the formidable Strait of Bonifacio, separating the two lands. The geological legacy of this region is as fascinating as its history, with volcanic activity eons ago causing the separation of Corsica and Sardinia. Over time, the relentless force of water has sculpted the imposing cliffs that cradle the town, creating a dramatic tableau that seems to defy gravity. A sight to behold, the view of Bonifacio from the sea evokes a sense of wonder, as if beholding a shimmering city suspended above the roiling waves below. Monemvasia, Greece. Nestled discreetly behind a colossal rock face in Greece's Laconia region, the quaint village of Monemvasia emerges as a seasonal gem awaiting discovery. Accessible only by traversing to the town of Gafira, visitors must park their vehicles, as the village itself is traversed solely by narrow cobblestone pathways, veiling its charm in an aura of seclusion. Originally part of the mainland, Monemvasia was transformed into an island by an ancient earthquake, adding to its mystique. Within the fortified walls of this captivating enclave, nearly every structure, adorned with earth-toned stone and stucco, crowned by red-tiled roofs, narrates tales of Byzantine, Venetian, and Ottoman heritage. While most of these architectural treasures serve as vacation retreats, guest houses, and inviting cafes, few residents call this idyllic setting home year-round. Venturing beyond the bustling main thoroughfare, a trail leads adventurers to the fortress walls, where a beacon of light beckons from the lighthouse, offering unparalleled vistas of the Myrtoan Sea. Within the village, the allure of history awaits, embodied by the timeless sanctity of two historic churches. Among them, the Church of El Comenos Christos, dating back to the 6th or 7th centuries, enchants visitors with its understated yet graceful facade, concealing within its walls a magnificent and imposing depiction of the crucifixion. Completing the sensory journey, indulge in the region's celebrated wines and olive oils, savoring the essence of Monemvasia's cultural and culinary heritage. In this hidden sanctuary, each step unveils a tapestry of tradition and tranquility, inviting guests to immerse themselves in its timeless allure. Civita di Bagnoregio, Italy. Nestled atop a fragile and erosion-prone cliff lies Civita di Bagnoregio, a relic of ancient times, marking the site of the first Etruscan settlement established over 2,500 years ago. Today, this diminutive hamlet, nestled in the picturesque Tiber River Valley in central Italy, is home to only about 12 people and 20 or so cats. This enchanting village beckons travelers to step back in time, offering a glimpse into a walled medieval town perched upon a slender volcanic plateau. Its closest neighbor in the town of Bagnoregio lies across a gaping canyon, accessible only by a steep pedestrian bridge suspended 1,200 feet above the gorge, snaking its way up the village's stone walls. The population of Civita di Bagnoregio has dwindled over the centuries, primarily due to its remote location amidst the rugged badlands of sand and sedimentary tufa rock, a 2-hour journey north of Rome. Many erstwhile residents migrated to the larger town of Bagnoregio, particularly following the creation of a canyon by an earthquake in the 18th century, severing the two settlements. The destruction of the bridge linking the towns during World War II exacerbated the isolation of Civita di Bagnoregio, leaving its remaining inhabitants in dire poverty until the bridge's reconstruction in the 1960s. However, the tide is turning for this secluded enclave, as tourism, facilitated by a modest fee to traverse the iconic bridge, breathes new life into the historic village. Chefchaouen, Morocco. Nestled amidst the Rif Mountains of northern Morocco, Chefchaouen beckons travelers with its mesmerizing charm and vibrant blue-hued streets. Known as the Blue Pearl, this enchanting city captivates visitors with its serene atmosphere and stunning architectural beauty. Wandering through the winding alleys of Chefchaouen's Medina, adorned in shades of blue that evoke a sense of tranquility and mystique, is an experience like no other. From the bustling souks filled with handcrafted goods to the picturesque squares where locals gather, every corner of the city offers a glimpse into its rich cultural tapestry. But Chefchaouen is not just about its striking aesthetics. It's a haven for adventure enthusiasts, with opportunities for hiking amidst lush landscapes, exploring nearby waterfalls, or simply savoring the flavors of traditional Moroccan cuisine in charming cafes and restaurants. Moreover, Chefchaouen's warm and welcoming inhabitants, known for their hospitality and friendliness, add to the allure of this magical city. Whether admiring the panoramic views from the ancient Kasbah or immersing oneself in the local art scene, Chefchaouen promises an unforgettable journey that will leave a lasting impression on every traveler fortunate enough to visit. Bergen, Norway. Nestled amidst Norway's majestic fjords, Bergen beckons with its historic charm and breathtaking scenery. As the gateway to the fjords, this city boasts UNESCO-listed Bergen's colorful wooden houses, remnants of its Hanseatic past. Visitors can explore iconic landmarks like Mount Florian for panoramic views, delve into history at the Edvard Grieg Museum, or savor fresh seafood at local markets. Bergen's vibrant cultural scene, warm hospitality, and stunning landscapes make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an unforgettable Norwegian experience. Huacachina, Peru. While Peru is renowned for its towering Andes Mountains, along its coastal stretch lies a desert expanse adorned with sweeping ivory sand dunes reminiscent of the Sahara. Amidst this arid landscape, nestled like a jewel, is Huacachina, a captivating oasis town that offers a unique glimpse into the stark beauty of the desert. Located just a few hours south of Lima and adjacent to the city of Ica, Huacachina is a picturesque haven encircling a crystalline lagoon fed by natural springs, enveloped by lush palms and vibrant tropical foliage. Steeped in history and myth, the healing properties attributed to the lagoon once drew Peru's elite to this idyllic retreat in the 1940s, establishing it as a favored destination for rejuvenation and relaxation. Today, Huacachina beckons travelers with its vibrant energy and myriad offerings, ranging from exhilarating adventure sports to lively nocturnal escapades and immersive winery tours. Meandering through its streets, adorned with Spanish colonial architecture and whimsical statues such as the mermaid gracing the main thoroughfare, visitors are enchanted by the town's ethereal charm, particularly when illuminated under the starry night sky. Residents, Huacachina pulses with activity, with most inhabitants employed in the burgeoning tourism industry, operating inns, hostels, and eateries that cater to the influx of visitors. Whether gliding across the tranquil waters of the lagoon on a paddleboat, embarking on exhilarating desert hikes, or carving through the sandy terrain on sandboards and dune buggies, Huacachina offers an array of experiences to delight and thrill adventurers of all stripes. While tourism dominates the economy, the region's other main industry lies in the export of sand, underscoring the unique blend of tradition and modernity that defines life in this captivating desert oasis. Ronda, Spain. Ronda beckons with its rich history and breathtaking landscapes. With a population of around 35,000, this charming city holds a prominent place in the annals of modern bullfighting, credited as the birthplace of the tradition where bullfighters transitioned from horseback to facing their adversaries on foot during the 18th century. Yet beyond its association with the spectacle of bullfighting, Ronda is renowned for its natural wonder, the majestic El Tajo Gorge. This awe-inspiring cleft, plunging 328 feet deep, cleaves the town in two, creating a striking geographical feature that has captured the imaginations of visitors for centuries. Traversing this dramatic abyss, Ronda boasts a network of picturesque bridges and pathways, each offering glimpses of the breathtaking scenery. From the historic quarter, a meandering trail guides explorers to the foot of El Tajo and the iconic Puente Nuevo, a marvel of engineering dating back to 1793. Constructing this architectural masterpiece amidst the rugged terrain was a perilous endeavor, as evidenced by the daring balconies that cling precariously to the gorge's sheer cliffs. Rocamadour, France. Perched dramatically on the cliffs above the Alzao River in southwestern France, Rocamadour is a quaint medieval village that captivates visitors with its enchanting charm. Built tier by tier along the steep cliffside, this picturesque settlement boasts a unique architectural layout. At the foot of the cliff lies Rue de la Couronnerie, the main street of Rocamadour, bustling with lively shops and impeccably preserved homes dating back to the 13th to 17th centuries. Ascending from this bustling thoroughfare is a grand staircase comprising 233 steps, leading to a cluster of churches and shrines that have earned recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This elevated vantage point offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, adding to the allure of the village. Once nearly abandoned following the upheaval of the French Revolution, Rocamadour has experienced a resurgence, now teeming with tourists and pilgrims ascending the stairs to pay homage to Saint Amador, after whom the town's renowned church is named. Legend has it that Saint Amador, having witnessed the martyrdom of Saint Peter and Saint Paul in Rome, sought solace in the serene environs of Rocamadour, where he spent the remainder of his days in contemplative solitude. Nara, Japan. Nara, Japan stands out as a must-visit gem for travelers. This ancient city boasts a rich tapestry of history and cultural heritage. Its most iconic feature lies within the Todaiji Temple, home to the world's largest bronze Buddha statue. This monumental statue impresses not only with its sheer size, but also with its intricately crafted details. However, Nara's allure extends beyond this singular attraction. The city is also famed for Nara Park, known for its tranquil and mystical atmosphere, where adorable deer roam freely. Visitors to Nara wander its historic streets, discovering the elegance and grace of traditional Japanese architecture. In essence, Nara offers an unforgettable experience not only for history and culture enthusiasts, but also for those who appreciate the beauty of nature. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and here's to many more off-the-beaten-path discoveries. Happy travels, and may your journeys be filled with wonder and exploration.